Are you looking to make a fortune but not sure where to start? Well, look no further. We've got you covered with today's video on 5 assets that can make you rich. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more amazing content like this. And for our regular viewers, we're so glad to have you back. Let's dive in. Number 1. Real estate. Real estate is one of the most profitable assets that can make you rich. You can invest in property for long-term rental income or flip houses for a quick profit. One of the benefits of real estate is that it is a tangible asset that you can see and touch. Additionally, the real estate market is less volatile than other markets, making it a stable investment option. Number 2. Stocks. Stocks can be a lucrative asset that can help you build your wealth. With the advancement of technology, it is now easier than ever to invest in the stock market. One way to invest in stocks is through an index fund, which can provide diversification and minimize risk. However, investing in individual stocks requires more research and knowledge of the company's financials. Number 3. Cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a new asset class that has the potential to make you rich quickly. Cryptocurrency has gained popularity in recent years due to its decentralization, anonymity, and potential for high returns. However, investing in cryptocurrency comes with high risk, and it is important to do your research before investing. Number 4. Intellectual property. Intellectual property can be a valuable asset that can generate passive income for you. This includes patents, trademarks, copyrights, and royalties. By creating a unique product, service, or idea, you can protect your intellectual property and earn money from licensing agreements or royalties. Number 5. Business ownership. Starting your own business can be a great way to build wealth and achieve financial independence. Owning a successful business can provide you with a steady stream of income and increase in value over time. However, starting a business requires a significant amount of time, effort, and capital. There you have it, folks. These are just some of the assets that can help you become rich. However, remember that investing comes with risks, and it is important to do your research before making any investment decisions. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching.